Hi guys, Happy Shark here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Magic Cube. Now, I just want to say I have not, for flip's sakes, I have not turned this at all. I've only unpacked it, I have not turned it, I don't know how it feels. Okay, so let's get on to this. Let me first tell you the price. So, I bought this for 50 Rand at Toys R Us, and it's called a Magic Cube and it's for beginners, and they said that you can take it apart really easy. So we're going to see those features. Oh, and by the way, it says that you must tighten the screws before, and I have not done that yet. So if it pops a lot, then yeah. So let's get onto this. Ooh, that is really nice. Feels like sliding dry ice on a really smooth glass table. Try. Yep, it popped. As I told you, I have not tightened it, so it will pop. So now, as you can see, I think that you should tighten the springs, but I don't really have a screwdriver here, so I'm gonna just deal with it. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, this is a really smooth cube. So, I'll be back with you. Wait, I'm going to scramble it and I'm going to solve it. I'll be back with you when it's solved. Okay. Okay, so I solved it, and I noticed that when I was done solving it, I wanted to see how easy it was to turn the corners from this position, and it's actually really easy. Look. So yeah, now I'm going to test the taking it apart one to see if that is true. See how it is true. Easy. It's really easy. So, let's review the corner cutting. So I'm going to put it to 45 degrees. No. Put it to about 30 degrees. Let's try 31 degrees. Ooh. 32 degrees. Okay. 33. Oh gosh. 34. 35. 36. 37. No. Okay, so it stops at 37 degrees. So now let's try reverse. Put it to about there. No. Let's try here. It has no reverse. Wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna rate this with stars. So with this, I would actually rate it at least about like 4 stars, because this does pop quite a lot if you don't tighten the screws. By the way, bye. Bye.